Let's get straight to it. 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the 3.6 liter engine. So today we're replacing the headlight bulbs. These are H11s that we're using. All right, so let's get this driver's side headlight bulb changed. So I have my wheel turned inside like this, and you can see right here there's a little access hatch. If you turn that until you can get that part where the open part is, you can pull that off. Now you can look right up in here and you can see right there that rubber piece right there. We can pull that off. That is how you access your light bulb. Pull that off just like that, so you can see your bulb now. All right, so let's set this somewhere safe. So there's our bulb right there. So you can see how that's positioned. Now we need to go counterclockwise about a good 20 degrees, maybe 25 degrees to get this loose. So if you try to use your hand, it's gonna be a little hard to get that down. So you can see that position right there that it's in. So it needs to come counterclockwise about 20 degrees, maybe 25 degrees to get loose. So it might be hard to move by hand. If it is, you can reach a pry bar, a pry tool right in there at an angle, and you'll be able to use your pry tool to pry that down to get it loose if you can't get it by hand. But you should be able to use your hand and turn that counterclockwise and get it out. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I got it out and you can see it's hanging right here. So just a little flick of the thumb right here should be able to get this off like that. So this is the old one. You can see this is blown. Look at the top of that right there. Let's keep this harness wire close because we're gonna need that in a second. Okay, so we have our new clean bulb hooked up here now. So we're gonna do basically go in reverse. We're gonna put this back up in that pocket. So we gotta get it up in here. All right, so I got that new one in there, but it's not tight. This is how it should be seated in there and arranged the same way the old one was when you turned it counterclockwise. So this is the angle that it's in. Now I have to turn it clockwise to get it locked back in. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so that's locked in now. So all I have to do is put this rubber piece in the back. So let's get this back up in there. So that rubber piece is back in. You can see it right here. It's nice and snug, so no air is going to get in there. So that's it for the bulb. The bulb is officially changed. So this piece here, once you push it in like this, you can just turn it to lock it in place. So now that's locked in place. So that's how you change your driver's side headlight on a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So now both sides are done. So that's it, guys. That's how you get that done.